Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to curve text in Canva. Now guys, as you can see, I'm in the blank canvas here. And this works for whatever designs you're going to make. As long as you're working with text, you'll be able to curve your text, right? And let me go ahead and go to text on the left hand side. So you see this T here, just go ahead and click that. And you'll be able to choose whatever text style or basic text that you would want to use. I'm going to choose this basic one here, and I'm going to just add a text there. How to curve text in Canva, right? You can always play around with the size here. You can, go ahead and you can use the plus or the minus arrow to make it larger or smaller, or you can go ahead and just basically type a number of your choice. So if I type like 50 and enter, it will go ahead and it will do that and adjust to the size. If I had something less, 30 for example, enter again, it will definitely change as well. So you can choose how you want to do that. You can add underline, you can do italic, you can bold your text, whatever you want. In my case here now, I'm going to just go ahead and change the color. Let's change it to something like this. And now, in order for us to curve the text, guys, what you want to do, you want to ensure that you click on the text. So once the text box is highlighted, you'll be able to see the options here on the top. And now we're going to go ahead and click effects. Then under effects, you see shape, right? And here you have none by default. The text is set to none. But if you go ahead and you hit curve, then your text will be curved. And that's it, guys. Now we can even play around a bit more with the curve number here. If I bring it all the way up, as you can see by default, it was 60. It will definitely curve the text all the way up to 100 and it will make it into a circle. But you can go ahead and you can play around with that. And if I bring it all the way down to 0, you can see that it's a straight line text. If I bring it down to minus, you will see that the text going up into a circular motion. And that's how easy it is, guys. There you have it, guys. If you found some value within this video, go ahead, let us know in the comments below. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.